Hello and welcome to Triple Wealth Driving School. Today we'll be working on a series of maneuvers in a manner of scenarios. From this video, you should be able to maneuver on controlled and uncontrolled intersections with understanding on what to do when changing lanes.
So, today we are going to talk about intersection rules and regulations. What to do when you get to an intersection. Like, I'm approaching a stop sign now, which is all way, signal, blind spot with the mirror, then look, observation, then go in, being the first person to get there, then you go. This is another intersection. There's no stop sign. You don't have to wait, you don't have to stop. Just look right and left and move on. This is another intersection. This is two-way. We are making a right turn. Signal, mirror, blind spot. Stop behind the tick line. Then roll in gradually to watch if any car is coming by the right or left. If no car is coming, then you can go. If any car is coming, you have to wait because both road has right of way.
You have to check your blind spot for every single intersection.
Before you get to the intersection, like 1 or 2 seconds after signal. And this is two-way. We are going to the left. Signal, mirror, blind spot. Stop exactly behind the tick line. Then creep in to check if any car is coming. This time around we are going to the left, so we're particularly concerned about the two lanes, both the right and the left. Both lanes needs to be cleared before going in. Like presently, cars are still coming from the right, no car is coming from the left. Now we can go after this car. Make sure you watch very well before you go in.
What are the types of stop signs that we can see on the road?
We have all way and two way. All way will get there first, go first. Though you still have to observe, do observation. This is all way. We'll get here first, go first. Now stop behind the tick line. Then I have to go because I get here first. But you still have to observe right and left when you are going. So that is stop sign. Now we are moving towards a traffic light. This is a red light. We are going straight. So you have to stop behind the tick line until the light changes to green. On no condition will you go on green light if you are going straight. You have to change the lane to the left, to the right, mirror, blind spot. This is a green light. You are making a right turn. Right turn on green light. That is yellow. You have to stop completely. Yellow and red are the same thing during test. Then I need to cripple in if any car is coming. If any car is coming, I can't go. Then I have to enter the first lane by the right. First lane by the right. Left turn on the traffic light, signal, and mirror. Then check the blind spot. Make sure you go in from beginning of the broken line. Now there is a car inside already. You don't join such car. Then you go in and stay in the middle until the road is clear. Make sure you go in when your wheel is straight. Don't bend your wheel. when you are going into the middle. Now the light turns to yellow, you have to go immediately, because it's going to take like 5 seconds to change to red, and red must not meet you inside. We are moving towards another stop sign. You're making a left turn at that stop sign. Signal, check your mirror and your blind spot before you get to where you will stop. Then there is no thick line here. You let the pull of the stop sign be on the same line with your bonnet. Complete stop, 1, 2. Then you go in to the left turn. At the junction over there, we're also making a left turn at the traffic light. Signal, check your mirror and your blind spot. This is a green light. You have to go in because no car is in the middle and no car is coming, no pedestrian. Then you enter the first lane by the left. Pick your speed immediately. Signal, blind spot, mirror and your blind spot. Then you change the lane to the right lane immediately. You are expected to drive at the last lane by the right during your drive test. Now, we are going to change lane again. To change lane, signal, check your mirror if the road is clear. If it's clear, then check your blind spot before you start crossing the lane. At the light, we are making a left turn. Signal, mirror, blind spot, go in from beginning of the broken line. Now this is green light. You go straight into the middle. Check your pedestrian by the left. The road is clear. You don't need to wait. Then you enter the first lane by the left. Pick your speed and change the lane to the right immediately. Mirror, blind spot. Now at the traffic light, we are making another left turn. Signal, check your mirror, check your blind spot. Then you change the lane. You can't use one signal to change 2 lanes. Signal again, mirror, blind spot, then you change the lane. We are making a left turn at the light here. Because it's green, I have to go in to the middle. And it's yellow, you have to go immediately. Because the yellow will turn to red in 5 seconds. If red meets you in the middle, that is automatic fail. At times, some cars may want to beat the light. Just make sure you go in slowly. And if any car is coming, stop and let him go. The examiner will know it's not your fault for stopping. A right turn. At the traffic light, you're making a right turn. Right turn at the traffic light. Signal, mirror, your blind spot. Now this is a red light. You are making a right turn. If you have to come to a complete stop, if it is red, when you come to a complete stop, then you creep in to check if the road is clear before you go. And make sure when you are going into the other lane, enter through the first lane by the right. Now I have to stop completely because it's red. Then creep in, the light turns to green, so I have to go immediately. Then you enter the first lane by the right. Do not enter the other lane. This is another right turn we are going to make after the traffic lights. Make a right turn immediately after the traffic light. Signal, mirror, blind spot, go in from beginning of the broken line. Now, no pedestrian, no stop sign, you just have to go. At the stop sign, we're also making a right turn. Signal, mirror, your blind spot, Then you have to stop completely. This is two-way. You have to stop completely behind the tick line. Now creep in to check if any car is coming, particularly about the left side. No car is coming, then you go. We are making a left turn at the stop sign. This is two-way. We are concerned about the two lanes. After complete stop, creep in. We are going to the left, so the two lanes are very important. No car must be coming. If any car is coming, you need to stop. You have the right of way. Make a right turn at this light. Signal, mirror, blind spot. This is a red light. You have to come to a complete stop. Complete stop at the tick line. Then you have to creep in and make sure no car is coming. You have less right of way, no pedestrian before you go. This is another traffic light. We are making a right turn. Signal, enter from the of the broken line after checking your mirror and your blind spot. So we are having a red light again. Supposing we are having a green light, you don't have to stop or wait. You only check for pedestrian at the right side. Now, this is red light, complete stop, then creep in. If you don't creep in, you won't be able to see the road from the left. You have to creep in after you come to a complete stop. Now the road is clear, I have to go. Make sure you enter the first lane by the right. Now let's do little lane change. To change lane is very important, and one can easily fail if it's not properly changed. Now, I want to change lane to the left. Signal, watch your mirror, make sure the road is clear, your blind spot before you start going. And before you start going, make sure you can see the two tires of the car in front of you. So you are not supposed to get close to the car in front of you while you are changing lane. Now another lane change to the right. Signal, I have to check the mirror is clear before checking the blind spot. Then I have to start going. While you are checking your blind spot, do not change lane. Change your lane after checking your blind spot. Now we are going to make another right turn after the light. You have to wait here to allow the pedestrian to cross. Do not drive close to the pedestrian. Wait completely, let the pedestrian cross during your road test. Now I have to go.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned enough to help you pass your G2 test. For more inquiries or driving lessons, please call Olayinka Oludari at 647-562-3376. That's 647-562-3376. Or email triplewealthds@gmail.com for your inquiries.